So we have developed a project called a Smart Air Purifier. So what this smart air purifier does, as we have seen in the pandemic, the need for this air purifiers have urged a lot. So they actually the reason is the most common problem that we face today is pollution, and with dust and allergies. With the increase in the number of pollutants in the air, there's an increase in the demand for air purifiers. So nowadays, most people get affected by these pollutants and this pollution, air pollution, with which a lot of problems are created, like respiratory problems, heart diseases, pulmonary bronchitis, and etc. So we have developed this project, the Smart Air Purifier, in which we are targeting the customers in the industries and also the domestic and the commercial customers also. And the market is all where there are like huge gathering places and halls, and we can use it in the aircrafts also. We can use it in like domestic and industrial purposes, and it is available, it can be available in the stores, e-commerce sites through which you can order it, and we have a scaling up feasibility in this also. So this purifier, actually the purifiers are already present in the market, which is not a new big deal. But those purifiers, there are some, they use activated carbon filters, molecular sieve filter, electrostatic precipitator, ozone generators, elementary pre-filters, antibacterial and HEPA filters. So we have actually made a prototype using the HEPA filter, and in that filter we are using first HEPA filter, and we are using some gas sensors which are MQ02 and MQ135 gas sensor modules with the DTHT11, which is the sensor used for the humidity and temperature detection, and Arduino is screen and power supply. So the wattage here is the main thing that we are doing with this. Our project is it's only 30 watts, which the other air purifiers are not. They have a large wattage. They are up to like 100 watts or some are 80 watts. And this is a portable one that you can use from one place to another place, which is very handy. And the cost benefit is it's only, it will cost from 4,000 to 6,000 rupees. As we can see in the market, we have already the air purifiers which cost about from 9,000. So after the 6 months of working, those air purifiers will not work, as we have seen with the MI purifiers, the Samsung purifiers, and the other industries also. And the here we are scaling up this project. We have used the Arduino, the AI through which we are programmed our project. But with the time, we will scale up, we will make it more handy and to control it in your hand. If you are in any market, you are in like you are out of the country and you have your parents in your home, so you can control it through your mobile phone.
Let me interrupt you in between.
Yes.
Because you're saying that HEPA filtration is very well known. You talk about any branded air purifier, they use HEPA filter.
Yes, sir.
And you are saying that you are using gas sensor.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the advantage of using gas sensor
Yeah.
for purifier?
Yeah, let me come to that. I will just explain it after it. Okay, sir. So please, I will just clear it and I will come to it. So here actually what we are doing, we are using HEPA filter, with which we are using the gas sensors also, which is an advance in the technology. As we can see now with the filters which we have available, that the only work they are doing is to purify the air. But we are using here the sensors. If there is any gas in your in this room, let's take an example of this room. If any air is present, if any gas, your LPG or any type of other gases like propane or any nitrous oxide, carbon monoxide. So those gas sensors will sense it, and they will sense, and the HEPA filter will purify it, and the with
If they will not sense, then HEPA purifier will not.
no, it purifies. It is actually to show it a
I'm trying
prototype.
to understand
Yeah.
if why so novel about this and what advantage you are getting.
Yeah.
Because sensor, many companies are using like molecule air purifier. If you look at that, they have used sensor for different purpose. Like when your filter, like HEPA filter, it is not exactly HEPA filter there, but if any filter is saturated, then sensor give alarm, right?
Yes, sir.
And then it tells you that not to use that filter ahead. But in your case, it is altogether different thing.
Yeah, because we are showing the how much of gas is present in the room where you are using the filter. The Arduino is programmed according to it, and it will show you the details of how much gas is present and how much it has cleared in the room. So it gives you the input and output, and also the HEPA filters the air. So it's just basically to understand how much the impurity is present in the air where you are living. So we are still working on it. It's at a GRL 7. So any questions?